Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these Nickelodeon tennis shoes. They got Rocko's Modern Life, Cat Dog, Invader Zim, and Rugrats, and then a custom inked by Ox design. And I'll show you how we get done with these. We are painting out a new pair of Adidas shoes. I got a pair of custom Nickelodeon shoes going on here. First, you use acetone to prep the leather. And next, we use paper stencils and a pencil to outline the drawings on the shoe before we start to paint. Next, I do a base coat of the orange, outlining everything else, and then I like to make sure I get all the edges deep and clean so that way they stand out and there's no white spaces left going in between all of the black marks. Next, I like to go in there with the back coat of the green and everything else. Put the backgrounds in after I'm done with finalizing the orange, getting any pieces that I've missed. Then I'll go in with the green and layer down the green base coats before applying the rest of the actual colors to all of the characters themselves. Right now we have a Chucky, we have the Reptar, the Invader Zim, Rocko's Modern Life, and then I fine line it with the Sharpie pen to kind of clean up any of the edges and any of the outlines. After we're done finalizing our outlines, we'll do it with a clear coat and we'll spray the tops to finish them off and hold all the paints in there and keep them secured.